people are out. We got point and test pass last night due to oil downs and wrecks on the track. We was in the lanes for the second one when they called it. First one we had Mike Chandler, the guy we picked up that was racing with us this week. Made a good run to the middle. We got a little bit loose on the top end, had to drive that old girl, and got the chutes out. We got the win on that one. Made a good pass, really fast, even though we had to lift just a little early. So we got a lot of confidence going into the day, and we went up chip draw first round. Drew the B-Rad, he's fast, he's got a good hot rod, him and his son, they're very respectful people, I like them. You know, but you got to beat everybody to be the last man standing.
You know, thought we had a good tune-up in it. We've been fighting a few issues, let go of the button and went out about 150 feet. The car actually made the biggest move it's ever made. Went across the center line, took out the 330 cone. We got our first NPK cone crossing the center line. But we gathered it up and kept it off the wall. That was a big plus. Got it back over here and found out we had a major nitrous leak. Thought that fixed it, and went back up, got an Outlaw big tire. Drew the chip, had Tony McKinney, took it to the lanes at the last minute. We had a wiring issue in the lanes, went to crank it. We had a sensor reversed, got it changed over. He gave us time to fix it. He's a good sportsman, we appreciate it. Went out there and took the tree, thought we had it figured out, done the same thing, went out 150, 200 foot, made a hard move and had to abort the run. So we come back over here and we tore the car all the way apart, took the rear end out of it, took the axles out of it, took the shocks apart, we took the whole car apart, and we're chasing a problem. We started the year, you know, on fire, and now we're fighting the issue with the car. Everybody does it. We're going to figure it out. We got 4 weeks off before our next race, so the guys thought they was going to have awesome time to go home and relax, but we're going to go home and get back to work, take this car apart from one end to the other, get the motor freshened with Charlie, send the transmission to Mark Mickey. Whenever we come back, we're going to be strong, and I promise you we're going to be tested, and we ain't going out first round no more.